Make a great choice today with the 2019 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, universal garage door opener, compass. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.